Here's just a quick off-the-cuff video of this Bissell PowerForce, model 3522-6. It was made by Samsung in South Korea, and I'm not sure when this is from. I may put a link in the description to say when it's from, but anyways, here's a teeny bit of dirt. Let's suck it up. So it's not bad. At least it's better than the new Bissells that Suzhou UP churns out. I say this, keep in mind that I don't really specialize in Bissell. I'm more of a Panasonic Hoover fan, as you could probably tell by my channel, but I'm making this video dedicated to Kaden's vacuums, cars, and more. You asked for it, so here you go. I picked this up summer of 2014 at Goodwill, and I just have it here. First Bissell I ever owned. The sticker used to be red, but now, because I'm in a cold barn, it has changed to this. I think this has a Dirt Devil U bag in it because I never bothered to get the right type of bags. Let me see if I can find a serial number on this, and I will get you the year in the description. See you next time.